to you.
Good boy.
Give him a treat, baby.
Give mommy a stick. Come on. Give mommy a stick. Yeah. Yeah, bring mommy a stick. Come on, Mochi. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You brought mommy a stick. You want to do it again? Show daddy. Give mommy a stick. Come on. Give mommy a stick. Give mommy a stick. Yeah. 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 Give mommy a stick. Give mommy a stick. Yeah, come on.
Getting excited.
Yeah. So good boy. Good boy. Mwah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, give mommy a stick. Give mommy a stick. Yeah. Give mommy a stick. Yeah. Come on, Mochi. Come on. Come on. Yeah. You
He just
missed it.
hops around.
Come on, Mochi, kiss stick. Give mommy a stick. Give mommy a stick. Give mommy a stick. No. Give mommy a stick. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I just rubbed his wiener too hard. Hey. Come here. Mommy give you a treat because you good boy. You good boy. Come here. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. You so good. You show daddy trick, huh?
Wow.
He's so cute when he does it too because he can barely pick it up. He's hopping and he's like flying over there. So adorable. Okay, let's go. Come on. Exercise. Give mommy a stick. Give mommy a stick. No stick. Give mommy a stick, baby. Come on. Give mommy a stick. No treat. No treat. Give mommy a stick. Give mommy a stick. You silly little boy. You silly little boy. You silly little boy. You don't want your stick? You tired of stick? Hey. Oh, bless you. Bless you, my baby. Oh.
Hey, child abuse.
That's me, please. Medicine. Oh, read it.
What did he do? He coughed?
Sneeze.
I think he got allergy, baby. I need to vacuum again.
He said Bob and Mr.
Huh?
Flea and tick drops plus. For dogs and puppies weighing 4 to 15 pounds, flea kills fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes, specifically eggs.